I am Dr. Larry Presant, vascular surgery, Phoenix, Arizona. We've known Steve and Gina for a long time, and when they contacted us, I said, no, not that.
So you were skeptical?
Very, very skeptical.
Okay.
They contacted us again, and I finally reluctantly, and then I started doing some of my own research. And the more and more I delved into it, having had experience with photobiomodulation, I said, gee, maybe this thing will work.
Incredible. Dr. Presant, now you're a vascular surgeon. You deal with, veins. How about blood flow and for your heart? How do you feel the X39 does, or any other things that you've seen in your patients or your friends that have been applying the X39 since you started?
Well, the inside lining of all your blood vessels is called the endothelium. And when the endothelium gets inflamed, then you've got trouble. And this is where all sorts of things can start, like blockage of your carotid arteries, blockage in your heart vessels, blockage anywhere, even in the veins in your legs. And inflammation generally is the source of most disease. And I would just tell a kind of a personal testimonial story of my wife Leslie, who experienced a miracle on the X39 patch. And she had colonoscopies periodically. And one time the doctor called her and said, you got to come back from Colorado and have surgery in Phoenix. So she had the surgery, and luckily she dodged a bullet. It was very early. She was cured from that. Every 6 months after that, she had to have another colonoscopy, and it came back the same way. Inflammation. About 6 months ago, or 8 months ago, she had a colonoscopy, and the doctor comes in recovery, and he says, what the heck are you doing? Your colon looks like you never had Crohn's. She says, all I've been doing is wearing this little patch for a couple months. He says, unbelievable, and the biopsies came back normal colon, so we consider that our miracle testimonial.
So you see, the time is now to make a move and help your friends, your loved ones that are in pain and that are suffering in the world today.